Hello and welcome to Vicky's Crafts. I have a monthly kit, my sticker kit from Pipsticks, and so it did come in the weekend, and so let me show you really quick. They do put it in this cute little holographic star bag. I do keep them, and I do keep this one where the address was here. I just peel it off and I keep it. It's so cute the way it comes in. So let me show you really quick. This is the Tower of Tales, and it's a whole bunch of books. It's a sticker, it's one sticker. I feel like putting it in a cardstock, at least 110 cardstock, and making it making a bookmark out of it. So that's kind of cute. So it says Once Upon a Time, which is so cute, and I love the colors that they put. Each book a different color, so that's nice. That's the first one. Then the second one is called Booked My Time. So that's how that looks. Let me lower the music. So this one has 4 tubs, and you can see this one has the books on it, which is nice, and this one has the little table so that you could read. And then it had some cats, some books, some candles, some slippers, the little cat on the mat there, and the cat on the books, which is so cute, and some other little things. So that one was Booked My Time. Sorry, I was out of focus. The next one is Novel Ideas. So you got the glasses, the books, the typewriter, some flowers, some kitty cats, some open books, again some glasses, some closed books, the typewriter, the flower, the cats. So that is so cute. So you can see it's different colors. The next one is this octopus with a whole bunch of books, and this one is Balanced Reader. So that is so cute. And it has some fishies, some books, and he's reading a whole bunch of books. I guess 1, 2, 3 books. 4 books he's reading at the same time. And then this one is Booksmart. So you have a library card there, the little library card that you put inside the book, and then your library card to take out books, overdue, the stamp, book due, and then I enjoy long romantic walks through the library. That's so cute. So I have a bag that says I'm booked for the weekend, and it has a whole stack of books. And then this one is called, wow, I can hardly see it, but the books, buy the books, buy the books. So it has a backpack, some money, fake money, library card again, a bookmark, some pens or pencils, another bookmark. See the way that looks? That's how I want to do the bookmark. And then the library stacked books there. So that's how that one is. And then the next one is All by My Shelf. So sleep is good and books are better. So she's there reading her book on her chair. So that's her bookshelf in the back. Very pretty. And then, as always, they give you a card, a postcard, and sorry for the holographics. And then in the back, of course, you could send it out. And then the book, and it gives you the what you're gonna have next time there. I'm not gonna spoil it for people. So that is my monthly kit for September, I believe, well, August. It's August 2023. My Pipstick stickers. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out in future videos like this. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.